Good morning. Welcome to mboptiontraders. This is Shiva. Day 90 of 2.5 lakhs to 6 lakh challenge. You can see I just entered it. Market open. All exit this all-time high took support and continue break the day high. And again you can see some consolation, but again creating a morning star pattern. So ready to break upside. That's why we enter this particular trade. Below this consolation, we're gonna place our SL. It's very small SL. Market just open. It has to be bullish at this moment. So let's wait for candle close. Okay, you can see. Let me give you analysis behind the trade. Buy enter. You can see it's all-time high. Previously market new all-time high. Once a breaker, second time breaker. This is third step it break. So there is no strength to continue as a resistance. So that's why we expecting continue bullish. That's why we enter this particular trade. I can see last trading session also given a good bullish closing. So it has to be continuing the bullish strength. Once the candle close above, we're gonna update our SL exa this below candle below. Reason it has to be continuing bullish. In case reversal, we're not gonna lose. We're gonna exit on cost to cost. Just try your SL as much as possible. Okay, you can see that order is given 1:1. That's why we updated our trial SM. There is no particular resistance to we gonna trigger this kind of our target. So that's why I'm expecting it's gonna hit any round figure. So the next round for figure going to be 58,900. So let's wait for it. In case of reversal, we're gonna accept our trial SL. Okay, you can see there is no strength to continue bullish. You tried creating a wick and you can see inside kind of breakout. Exact this mode it took support, so it has to be continue. The following with the hammer, so that's why we update our trial SL. In case our trial SL got triggered, it might be chance for a retracement. We're gonna read the trade once. One more selling side or both bullish side. Let's wait for it. Once the candle close, we'll decide. Okay, I can see it has to be bullish, but it's going to trigger our SL. Okay, our SL got triggered, and you can see this is the entry and exit point. Okay, we got it. Might be market taking some retracement. We're gonna re-enter it once you give confirmation. You can see we book the profit of 1,800. Okay, let me enter. Okay, you can see I just entered it. As I previously after exiting the trade, we got re-enter the trade once it give me confirmation of any side bearish or bullish side. Right now I'm expecting there is a small fall. That's why I took this trade, and you can see Nifty open, try to fall but took support, continue bullish, day high break, again break, but there is no continue bullish. You try to consolation, break, again waiting my confirmation, again you break the neck, you enter this particular trade. So I'm expecting Nifty going to be small fall, again you can see reversal hammer. This is going to our first target. The previous day consolation always work as this support and resistance. So this is going to our support. Once it break, we're going to expect a good target downside also. Budget market all time high. I'm not expecting more fall from the Nifty. Once the yesterday low and today opening going to be our first target. We want to book that particular target. Then we'll look for trial our SL. Okay, you can see trying to take some support from this previous doji, so might be chance for after movement. So we gonna exit this trade. Okay, I'll just exit it trade. You can see we gonna read that trade once give me confirmation of any selling set, because market at all time high in back Nifty and Nifty and Sensex also close to all time high. You can see might be chance for after movement also. Past videos continue bullish, so I'm expecting there is a small fall or consolidation. Then we can expect a upside move, and this is what our target. So let me show you the order book. Okay, you can see the entry and exit and the final process. Still we are in green. Let's wait for it. Okay, let me enter first. Okay, entry, you can see. As I previously, I'm gonna waiting for the confirmation of the candidate. Once we give confirmation, we're gonna re-enter the trade on bearish side. Okay, you can see. Just after we exited, our SL got triggered. After SL got triggered, it creating a bearish angle. That's why we enter this particular trade. So I'm expecting mark gonna fall. Okay, let me count to 5-minute time frame. Okay, you can see good bullish angle in option chart also, and bearish angle on spot chart. So expecting it going to break this zone and fall and give the target of the day low. Okay, so this is going to our first target. In case continue fall, we expect this 200 EM also one more target. Mostly it has to break the open day low. So let's wait for it. Okay, you can see it tried to create a fake breakout downside. So mostly it going to be trap trade. So that's why I'm exiting. You can say I just exited. So when you confirm is a fake trade, just exit. Wait for one more entry. Okay, this is the entry and exit of the position and the final panel. Okay, you can see I just adapted. Market trying to creating a fake scenarios both sides. After we exited, first it falls, again we exited, again try to bullish and break the day high, again fall. You can see exactly bullish, again try to bullish, created a fake breakout. Let me, okay, just 1 second. I'll place this one. Okay, you can see fake out. Again second, you can see create a one more fake out. You can see consider as the double top pattern. So that's why we entered, and you can see this small consolidation or breakout. Once this consolidation neck break, we enter the trade. So I'm expecting it has to be fall. As a technical is very clear, it has to be fall, and we expect a minimum target of this one. It break, we can expect this 200 ME as the one more target. In case if the market break upside, it is highly confirmed there is no strength to continue bearish side, and market going to consolidation mode. So let's wait for it. It's for candle close. Mostly it has to be fall. Okay, you can see exactly this moment market creating in reversal hammer. It has to be a reverse hammer. That's why once the candle close, we want to update our SL below this reverse hammer. You can see I call this as the panic candle. You can see most of the people thought it's going to be bullish and create a green candle, but it's going to create a wick and continue fall. This is how the candle create. The existing people gonna exist and new people gonna enter. That's why this gonna create a wick and continue bearish candle. So let's wait for it. Once the candle close, we're gonna update our SL below the candle and we'll wait for our target. Okay, you can see he has to be far. It might be chance for option movement or consolidation as the previous set. You can see it create a good hammer, so that's why I updated my trial sector below. And you can see day opening, place it again trying to take some support. In case it takes some support, we can expect a upside momentum also. That's why I updated my trial. Let's wait for candle close. Okay, you can see it created a doji, so we can't decide marking on the upside or bullish or bearish. That's what we call as the decision pending candle. You can see our SA got here. We expecting a might be chance of support, so it's going to break upside and highly chance you can say it taking support. We expect upside breakout, so we're gonna re-enter. Once it may any selling scenario, we're gonna re-enter the trade. Let me show you the art book. You can say entry and exit. We mostly exit and cost to cost only. Okay, you can see this is the final panel. Okay, like you can see I just entered the trade. Okay, you can say try to bullish, fake out, again try to bullish, fake out, and you can see create a good mother candle. You can see. So here I'm ready to break this consolidation. So expecting continue fall on downside. You can see exactly this is the inside candle. So once a break in the inside candle we enter, above will place our SL in inside candle and expecting day low going to be our target. Shall I can see ready to break downside. This one our first target. Let me delete one. You can say I just deleted. Then we'll expect this one to our target because this is a heavy consolidation. So it has to be fall and break the yesterday low, and we expect the console to fall. This inside candle above will place our SL. You can see in option chart we're gonna place our SL exact this candle below. What the candle we're gonna update our SL. Okay, you can see it started bullish. You can see trade started. That's why updating my SL. Okay, you can see in 1 minute time frame you can see too close to trigger 200 EMA. It has to be hit. In case it reversal, we can expect option movement also. That's why updating my trial SL. You can say below this instant candle will placing our trial SL. Reason very clear. It's already given a 1:1 place target still we not booking. I'm expecting mark going to fall. I'm not ready to book just 10 to 20 points. I'm expecting it's gonna fall at minimum. I expected 30 to 40 points. That's why I'm not booking. It's already covered our intel loss, went profit also, still we're not booking. Just I said we have to follow rules no matter if we are in loss or we are in profitable, still we have to follow rules. If we follow rules, we can make good money. If we book the profit right now, it might be chance continue fall and trigger our target also. It's okay. Let's wait for a bit. You can see try to creating a low formation and try to break downside. Once it break downside, we can expect a good target downside, and this will be our first target. In case it upside movement, we can expect our result to trigger. Let's wait for it. There is no support right now. It has to be for. It might be chance for a support for yesterday consolidation. Let's wait for it. We're gonna update our trial SL any green candle. So I'm not still not confident about this particular. That's why I'm gonna just update my trial SL. Okay, you can see updated. It has to be follow. Selling come too fast. It's not gonna wait for the any confirmation. It has to be fall right now. But it might be taking some support. In case it takes support, we can expect our trial SL. Okay, you can see taking some support. Okay, trial SL got triggered. Let me show you. I can say entry and exit. We exited on cost to cost. It's okay. I could say the final panel. You can see we back to red. It already given a good profit, covered enter loss, and went green. Now still we're not booking. It's just following the rules. Let's wait for it. Once you give me any confirmation, we're going to re-enter. Or this one our last trade. Okay, let me enter first. Okay, you can see I just enter. Previously we looking for a bearish trade, but market continuously trying to take some support from the every swing. So there might be chance for option momentum. So we're taking this one. Okay, 1 second. Let me give you analysis behind the trade. 1 second. Okay, you can see exactly. Open, continue bullish. Here we exited our first trade. Then you can see 2 times trying to break upside and again fall. Exact same place again. Third time we taking some support. Okay, let me place one. This zone you can see exact this below. It again and tried to break this zone, but it taking support. So expecting mark going to be upside movement. They're still pending a bullishness. So that's why below I'll place my SR. We'll at least trying to take day high of the first target, and we can expect option movement also. Once it break upside, we'll wait. We'll want to trial our SL. We're looking for long trade today. In case if downside go and trigger our SL, it'll highly confirm it's going to be consolidation and creating a trap market. So let's wait for candle close. Okay, you can see it tried to fall, but exact same moment you see the zone again taking support, so it has to be continue. It might be taking some retracement and continue bullishness. That's why we updated our SL exact is below, and you can see 1 minute time frame. exact this moment you can see every time come to fall and creating a bullish angle finger or hammer and continue bullish, right? That's why I'm expecting it's going to be bullish exact this moment. In get reversal, we're gonna accept our yes sir. So let's wait for candle close. Okay, you can see the trade casted has set. It has to be take some support from exact this moment. As we said, it taking support and day high going to be our target, and then we're gonna expect a upside any round figure going to be our second target. So that's why I'll updated my SL also. So let's wait for it. Once the candle close, we'll inform you. Okay, you can see the radio started. It already given a 1:1 profit, so that's why updating my trailer. So reason I'm still not confident about this upside moment. It might be chance for consolidation also. That's why updated. Okay, you can see spots are trying to bullish, but options are falling. Okay, our trailers got triggered. Okay, you can see we just booked just 2 points only. It's okay. Let me show you the final PN. Okay, you can see there's the final PN. In case any good sell trade given, we'll only enter until I'm not going to. This is going to be my last trade. Okay, let me enter first. Chala, entry you can see. As I said previously, we only enter once you give me good confirmation, then only we enter. Until I'm not going to enter. Okay, let me share you one strategy. Okay, you can see. 1 second. Okay, market open. Try to bullish. Again fall. You can see. Try to bullish. Again fall. Exactly. Extra consolidation support and try to break the day high. Again try to bullish. Again fall. And 12 o'clock. And exact this moment you can see. Day high broken. But exact upset this zone you can see. This is working as a major resistance. Why it's working as a major resistance, let me show you. 1 second. Let me paste a big screen. Okay, you can see. Previous day, try to bullish exact this moment taking support, sorry, resistance and continue fall. So same place again taking some resistance for the second time. So there is no strength to or to continue bullish upside. And you can see I'll give you one strategy. Whenever you want to take any trade after 12 o'clock, wait for 12:30. If 12:30 market creating any resistance, again after 1 o'clock again breaks the resistance creating any sell side we again comes particular trade. And you can see again same happened today. Upside bullish. So trying to break. Okay, you can see. Exact this moment once again. Okay. Breaking the previous zone and again creating a good bearish angle thing. So that's why we enter. And you can see minimum this one my target. I'm not expecting it's going to fall and give me minimum 1:3, 1:4 target. Reason it's already 1 o'clock. So there is no time to fall also. That's why I'm expecting 1:2 and a spread ratio spread. This blue horizontal going to be my target. Let's wait for candle close. In case option movement, we only entered half of the quantity what we enter at regular time. Chala, you can see it has to be fall. In case reversal, we'll accept it. Chala, let's wait for it. Okay, you can see as I said, it has to take some distance from the exact this zone. So again creating a reversal hammer pattern. Below week I'll place my SL. I just updated my SL because there is no time to expiry is going to continue fall. That's why I'm updating my SL. If the morning is creating like this pattern, I'm gonna hold. But I'll give you as I said this strategy. It has to be fall exact this moment. There is no resistance to hold this moment or support to continue bullishness. So it's act be fall this moment. That's why updated. In case it reversals, we'll highly confirm there is going to be consolidation or upside momentum. Chala, let's wait for it. Okay, I can see too close to hit our SL. Okay, too close. Chalo, our SC category. Reason I said, in case our SC category highly confirmed it's going to be upside movement or consolidation. So, chalo, let me show you the order books. Okay, Kanshi. Here we entered and we exit. We just lose 5 points and you can see final position. Okay. So I want to tell you something. One thing you have to learn from this video. Okay. The first trade we given a 3000 plus profit. Once to still we not book. We wait for our trial sir. We expect a good target. So we accept our trials. We book the good profit of 2000 plus. The second target it given me loss. So we we exited the trade because we can confirm it's going to be bullish. That's why we exited. Then we'll wait for start target. It given me good profit. Still we not booking. The fourth one also given good profit. Still we not booking. The thing is, if you learn to hold your profits, you learn to cut your losses, then you want to become a trader. You need to control your emotion. If you not control your emotion, you're not going to be a trader. The one thing you learn, okay, most of people told you, I'll once repeat one thing. The technical analysis, the resistance, support, trend lines, everything indicators, everything only 10%. 90% about the mindset and emotion. If you control your emotion, you can be achieve everything. So you can see continuously it given a market given a good target and followed my strategy. It only given one time loss before any remaining all are given good profit. Still we exit on cost to cost. So what I'm trying to explain, it's okay. In case if our trade got successful, we want to make double or triple our profit from the first trade. So still we waiting for it, and you can see I only trade it given a market confirmation. I not enter randomly every trade. Whenever I enter, there is a reason behind the trade, there is an analysis, and there is a strategy. That's why I enter. I not enter any random trades. So listen, don't enter random trades and don't do over trading. And we, okay, you can see we owe total 5 trades. This is the last trade I said. If you market give me any confirmation, then only I enter. If you not give any confirmation, I not enter. I'll wait for the until market first 130. Reason it gave me multiple times is a fake out. I know it's going to create some fake outs and consolidation. That's why I waited. After 2 o'clock, it gave me bearish breakout. Still I'm waiting for the one more confirmation. Then 130 again it give me confirmation. Then I'll enter. So this you have to learn when to end and when to exit. Control your emotion. Chalo, done for the day. See you on next video.